Jainism in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka also before the advent of Buddhist religion, Jain religion was well entrenched. This has been substantially provided the old Buddhist literature. The Buddhist literature in Sri Lanka, Mahavansa and the ancient text Dibavansha mentioned that Jainism existed during the religion. The early 21st kings in the Lanka 10 BC to 303 AD, but was later destroyed by the king Vatakamani. Jainism crossed India from South India at about 8th century BC, if not earlier, and became one of the most important religion of Ceylon, which has been in those days, but the name Langa, Ratna, Divya or Simhala. The Mahavamsa refers to the existence of Jainism Ceylon even before the arrival of Buddhism. Ravana king Langa long ago is said to have been erected Jain temple. There are at Tirukutagiri another statue of Parsanatha and the 23rd Tirthankara Jaina found the cairns. Tharapur is also said to be in Sri Lanka. Jainism was living religion Sri Lanka up to the 10th century AD. Nomenclature. The name Arankela is said to be evolved from the combination of two words Aran and Kela. The word Aran is thought to be either derived from the Arhat meaning Arhat or Arama meaning the monastery, and the word Kela gives the means as the forest archaeological monuments. They cite to be dotted with a large number of buildings and structures including caves.